Hello and welcome to the October digital edition of Kitchen Garden magazine. We hope you enjoy it. We're at the lovely walled garden of Clumber Park near Worksop in Nottinghamshire today doing our filming. You can see a lovely newly restored greenhouse in the background. A packed issue again, of course, for you. This month I'm writing about one of my favourite fruits, which is mulberries. A little bit unusual, but a beautiful tree, almost like tree raspberries really. What are you talking about?
Well, I've been writing about composting, particularly because a lot of councils are now charging for green bins and removing your garden waste. So I've been looking at tips on actually how to get rid of all the waste yourself, so you can actually get rid of your green bin and save yourself some money.
Sounds good.
And related to that, for our product review this month, we've been looking at composting accessories, things like leaf bins, leaf sacks, and composting bins. To put all your green and brown waste into the bins, etc., to provide some wonderful compost.
Yeah, very important. So we've all that and a whole lot more in this issue, so we hope you enjoy it.